Factory tours commonly come to mind for tourists looking to experience local landmarks. Boeing, Belly, and Louisville Slugger all offer popular behind-the-scenes outings, but it's doubtful any of them are as popular as what Xiaomi is offering in China. The consumer electronics giant recently broke into the automotive space. It currently offers the SU7 full-size sedan, and it's working on the YU7 midsize. It sold just 135,000 vehicles in 2024, though it expects to more than double that number this year. But its factory tours have already become so popular that Xiaomi had to introduce a lottery. Wired produced an in-depth look at the EV factory tour craze in China and specifically highlighted Xiaomi's, which the company opened to the public at the beginning of 2025. What started as just 3 tours per month for 20 visitors at a time has quickly become a daily occurrence, with even more tours on the weekend. Xiaomi thought that would be enough, but when it opened registration in July, it got 27,000 applications in one day. So, you need to be lucky if you want to go on the Xiaomi tour. To be fair, the tour does sound pretty cool, so it makes sense why so many people would want to go. Besides getting to check out some advanced robotics and automation, visitors can test drive the SU7 on a racetrack, where they can try out the vehicle's insanely fast 0 to 60 acceleration. According to the report, the factory tour also includes affordable meals and a gift shop. The crowds clamoring to get a glimpse of the production process at Xiaomi and other China-based EV makers like NIO reflect the growing presence of Chinese electric vehicles among the leaders in sales. According to Clean Technica, the Tesla Model Y is still the best-selling EV in the world as of March 2025, but models from BYD, Wuling, and other China-based manufacturers dominated nearly the entire list. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.